guys! Yes, today we are going to learn how to build questions and how to create sentences in affirmative and in negative form using the present simple tense, okay? So the first thing to remember and know is that we have a super important word in this tense that we have to always remember, and it's the auxiliary do, right? We have it here. See that to ask questions in a present simple tense, we need to use it like that. Do you like bananas and apples? And to answer that question, we can say yes, I do, or no, I don't, alright? But what happens if we change the personal pronoun? Instead of saying do you, let's put she. Do she like bananas and apples? That doesn't sound good, no. Here, we need to change the form do into thus. Does she like bananas and apples? And the answers this time also need to change. We cannot say, yes, she do. We need to say, yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. And what happens if we now change that personal pronoun into he? Does he like bananas and apples? Yes, sounds perfect. And again, the answers are yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. And what about if now we use the personal pronoun we? Myself and some friends. Does we like bananas and apples? No. That doesn't sound good at all. Again, we need to say, do we like bananas and apples? Yes, we do. Or no, we don't, right? And what about another personal pronoun? They, not me, but them, right? My friends. Do they like bananas and apples? And here the answers would be yes, they do, or no, they don't. Clear? Hope so.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello children, keep learning with us the present simple. Today the last worksheet about the auxiliary. Remember that we need this word do or thus, okay? Yes. And then for negatives, don't or doesn't, okay? Great. So let's read the first instruction. Is there any mistake in the following questions and answers? Does you take showers every day? Does you take or do you take? It's do. So I'm going to beep. Right, do. Do you take showers every day? Then, do we play together at the park? Yes, this is okay. Oops, sorry. This is okay. So I'm going to take the green marker and just do a stick like this. Yay! Well done. Then let's go for the next one. Do she play with her dad? Do she or does she? Does she play with her dad? Is does. So I will cross out the auxiliary do and I will write, does she play with her dad? Okay, and now we have the answers, okay? No, they don't is okay, yes. With they, don't. Yes, she do, no. Yes, she does, okay? Yes, we does, no, is yes. We do, yes, we do. And no, he does, it's good, okay? It's super good. Well done. Goodbye.